Alright guys, so we're back and we're just going to finish talking about this problem, what this last part meant. Suppose the car started 4 miles away from a checkpoint on the positive side initially. Where is the car in relation to the checkpoint at t equals 5? So what we're going to do is we are going to take, so this is kind of talking about this last little part right here. If the position is different. Okay, so this just means if you have a starting place. So this problem is actually telling us that yes, we have a different starting place. So this one here, and I'm going to write my work down here just so everybody can see where I'm going. What we're really going to be doing here is we're just going to be taking that initial starting place, which is 4 in the positive, away from the checkpoint, and then we're going to add our integral from 0 to 5 of the whole function. Okay, this is the whole function as the whole displacement. Okay, so this is actually just going to give us the 4 plus the 21.67 that we already figured out to get 25.67. Okay, so that's just what that point means. You will see problems like this where you have a number in the front. That just means it's an initial where you're going to start from. What happens if you start this much? What if you start with this much sand on a beach and you're finding out how much washed away after time and so forth. So you will see some problems that have a piece like this in the front, or that you may have to write a piece like that in the front. Okay. The back page, guys. The back page of this is our 9.1 worksheet. Some of these problems here are using what we did when we did like LRAM, RRAM, MRAM, the trapezoidal rule. Okay, so like number 1, number 2, these are ones you should be able to do on your own. Okay. Number 3 is one that you're going to see that uses that position starting like we looked at just a second ago. It's starting at this 12 and then going from there. So basically all you're going to be doing is, well actually no, sorry, I misread that. This one's just a normal taking the integral. And for most of these, I would recommend using Math 9 on your calculator and not going through the whole process of finding the antiderivative, because some of them get a little bit more complicated. Okay, and then here, a number 4, you're figuring out how to write your integral so that you can solve it. Okay, and then number 5, you've got to figure out which one is the right answer. It's obviously not solved, but it's which one's setting it up the right way. So I'm not going to work these ones out. I want you guys to work them out. I will post the answer key for this for you to check your work with my stuff worked out on it. If you have any questions, remember to contact me either with an email, a message, or jump on one of the live sessions. Hope you do well. If you've got questions, please don't hesitate.